So today we're on our way to the Marlboro Model Railroad Show in Marlboro, Mass. So.
And we're on Route 2 eastbound.
Yeah. So it's not a big show, but it's a good show, and it's one of the 4 that we try to go through a year. It's kind of on the small side, but it's got a lot of good deals, so it makes it worthwhile. And we almost never come home empty-handed, even when we don't have any money. Alright, so we'll take you guys to the Marlboro show and show you what it's like. So you'll see pretty much what we see. Yeah, I know, I see it. Good Lord. Alright, so we'll be there in a while. Yeah, a rumble strip in honor of one of our deceased friends. So we'll be there in a while. So in the meantime, we're going to sit back and put in the Lisa Loeb CD. And, hey, did you see that? Did you see that?
What?
Something went by us there, wicked fast. I think it was your leaf blower. It's still going. It sure looked like your leaf blower. Alright, so we got a ways to go before we get there, so we'll turn this back on when we get closer to Marlboro. Are we there yet? Okay, here we are in a traffic jam of all things.
And it looks like we're in the wrong lane.
Yeah. Oh God, look at it, goes way the hell up. Way up there. Oh. Damn it. Oops. Yeah, it goes way up there. And I gotta go to the bathroom. Oh no. All the bargains are being sold as we speak. Well. Alright, I guess we'll be here for a while. No, that kills that. Alright, as you can see, we're moving again. And here we come upon the tree. I wonder how they got it to grow so big. It's gone. There it is. Oop. Oh.
It grew the antenna.
Alright, give it gas. Yep, we're missing bargains. I get that on tape, you know. Alright, we're almost there. Finally. So, we're closing in on where we're going, which is just down the street. I think all the bargains are gone already. As you can see, I'm filming because I'm riding shotgun and Mike's driving.
And we're having fun.
Ripping the tires off.
Yeah, they're junk anyway.
Yeah, I know, junk. Alright. Alright, we're almost there. Here we go. Alright, we're there. There's where we're going. So we'll see you inside.